As I've shown in past videos, we typically make yogurt from raw milk that we get from a local farmer. However, recently we acquired quite a bit of milk that had gone out of date. In fact, we acquired so much we put quite a bit in the freezer, and this is one that I recently thawed out. So a question I have of making this with out-of-date milk, which, I mean, it wasn't that out of date when we got it, and this has been frozen for a good bit of that time, is do I need to pasteurize it, or is it good to pasteurize it? Like, I could take a sniff of this. Doesn't smell bad in any way, but I want to see if I need to pasteurize it. Well, that one I'm going to let heat up to pasteurize. This one I'm going to monitor and make sure that it doesn't go above the 115-degree temperature I plan to use it with the starting the yogurt. So that one has reached 115, and I'll let the other one go up to 180, which is what I've been using as a pasteurization temperature. And I did preheat this cooler to make sure that this one isn't overly affected by going in substantially first. And just to note, I didn't mention it earlier, but when I've used commercial milk in the past that's been pasteurized, I've never pasteurized it because it's been in date and good. After these sat overnight and then have been in the fridge for a while, I've got the stuff that I repasteurized and the stuff that I did not repasteurize. And I mean, almost instantly I'm seeing a difference. This is really kind of not looking that great. Whereas this stuff is kind of normal solidness, but this is not what I like in yogurt, that stuff that I didn't repasteurize. So let's try a taste. And that tastes like normal yogurt. I mean, it doesn't taste any difference, but for the consistency, whatever that heating it up and then letting it cool down does, seems to be what I want. I realize I only did this once, and there's enough variation in yogurt making that to give a real solid conclusion, I really should do this more than once.